A new law in Kansas could complicate mask mandates across the state. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brad Stevens.
And I'm Carolyn Long. Today, Governor Laura Kelly signed Senate Bill 40 into law. It extends the state of disaster emergency. But if you look at the fine print, the new law gives people the right to sue over any order that, quote, aggrieves them.
Tomorrow, county commissioners will debate the emergency order in Johnson County. And that's where we find KCTV5's Betsy Webster. She joins us live with a closer look at the debate before them. Betsy?
Well, what they're going to be looking at tomorrow is a new public health order that really extends the existing order, doesn't end it. But what happened in Wichita today, due in part to that new Kansas state law, is bound to raise some questions. By now, people have become used to wearing masks and distancing. For months, local officials have mandated that. But our sister station in Wichita reports that Sedgwick County ditched their mandates today. And the Wichita Eagle says the reason is the new law that puts local governments in a bind. At issue is a provision that lawmakers told the Eagle had them worried about their courts being flooded with lawsuits. It allows someone, quote, aggrieved by an executive health order to sue in court, with a hearing required within 72 hours.
Now, the acute infections have gone up.
Doctors at the KU Health System today weighed in.
You're seeing a rise in COVID again. It looks like there may be another surge, and it's caused by the same things that it is always caused by. When folks don't follow the rules, the virus spreads.
Those rules are medical ones, which may soon not be government ones. He said he can't speak to politics and wanted to stay in his lane, but from a medical standpoint,
I don't know why anybody would want to put out to stop mask mandates right now when only 8% or 13% of our population has had 2 vaccinations.
Governor Kelly referred to the bill as a bipartisan compromise in a heavily GOP legislature. She noted it, quote, will extend the state disaster of emergency that allows us to provide hospitals with PPE, support food banks and pantries, and otherwise respond to the COVID-19 pandemic. Then she added that, quote, the bill includes provisions that I do not support and that could complicate our emergency response efforts. Now, the Johnson County health officer's order is essentially like what was already there. It would go into effect tomorrow and extend through April, but that is if the county commission approves it. We will be sure to monitor that meeting and let you know what comes of it. Live in Johnson County, Kansas, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
All right, Betsy, keep us updated.